Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we are building our homestead together little by little from the roots up. I'm Kristy, and today we are going to be talking all about pruning pepper seedlings. As you can see, my peppers are doing amazingly well. They're growing nice and tall and strong, and now there's one more thing I want to do before I get them in the garden, and that's to do what's called pinching them off. Now this term originated because people used to actually pinch them off. I'm going to use scissors. The why that we do this is because this pepper plant is going to grow tall, and it's going to continue to grow tall, but especially here in Oklahoma where the wind comes sweeping down the plains, this tall plant is going to be flimsy and it's going to get whipped around. If I cut this plant off at the top, what's going to happen is that branches are going to start to shoot out of the sides, and it's going to become a more wide and bushy plant. And this is going to serve two purposes. Number one, it's going to hold up better and be more sturdy when the wind tries to whip it around, and I won't have to stake it. Number two is all of those new shoots are going to produce all sorts of peppers, so you're going to get a bigger production off of this plant when we do this. Now, I will not lie, this part is pretty painful. You have this beautiful pepper plant and you're gonna cut off a lot of the growth of it. But in 2 weeks, you won't even be able to tell that you cut it. In fact, it'll look even more healthy than before. So how and where do we cut this? Well, I like to cut 2 or 3 true leaves above the bottom. And don't forget, these first leaves are not your true leaves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count sets. 1 set, 2 sets, and then 3 sets up here. And when I do that, each of these branches are going to produce little shoots out. So I'm going to take my super sharp scissors and I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut right at those. Oh. And I know this plant looks a lot less healthy and a lot less vibrant than when it had this on the top. But what is going to happen is all of these places are going to grow new growth, and the top is going to grow extra growth. And in 2 weeks, this pepper plant is going to be growing beautifully. All right, let's cut the rest. Now this one is tiny, as you can see. I'm not going to prune this one. I will prune them once they get to 5 or 6 inches. This one's a little too small to be pruned yet. This pepper is probably the one I'm most excited about because if you look, the leaves are variegated. I don't know if you can see that. They're so beautiful. This is just a California Wonder Bell pepper. I'm gonna try to save seeds from it and see if I can propagate it. All right, so we've done our damage, and as you can see, these look a little sadder than before, but I promise you it will be for the best because they are going to grow more luscious and better than they ever have. This will also help them from prematurely giving off flowers while they're still in their containers inside. As you can see, this one was already starting to bud up, and I don't want them to put their energy into making fruit right now, especially while they're still inside. These guys still have a couple more weeks at least in the garage, because the temperatures right now here are in the low 50s in the evening, sometimes dropping down into the upper 40s. This weekend, I'm probably going to plant my tomatoes, but I do want it to be a little warmer to plant my peppers so they really have a chance to thrive. So I'm gonna wait until that nighttime temperature is consistently at least above 55, but preferably in the 60s to plant these. So I really want them to be able to stay in the pots a little bit longer, so this is also gonna help with that. I don't want them to be bearing fruit in the little pots, because I want, when I plant them in the ground, them to put energy into that root system. I can't wait to share with y'all the update once these are branching out and getting more full. And also in just a couple days, we're gonna be planting our tomatoes out in the garden, so be sure to check back for that. If you got some value out of this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel and our little family. Thanks.